Imagine I'm on the store operations team at Instacart. My team's key metric is found rate. It's the percentage of items of an order that the shopper actually finds on the shelf. When a store found rate drops below its baseline, we open a case internally and work out why. Today, this process is slow, manual, and error-prone. We don't have a central place to track these cases, so issues often go undiagnosed or communication breaks down between ops, CS, and the stores. Our team's strategic priority for this quarter is to drive down time to resolutions and thus the number of refunds we issue. Over the weekend, I built a prototype in Claude for a new tool to centralize tracking of open cases and streamline our operations. I can view all open cases in a list, generate an account manager brief with AI, track when the account manager was notified, and add internal notes for my team to track the progress of the case. Unfortunately, this is just a prototype. The cases are hard-coded when they should come from Snowflake, and the draft comes from OpenAI with my personal API key sitting right here in the source file. I can't send it directly to Slack or update the case record in Snowflake, and it runs on my laptop and nowhere else. I can't hand this to my team. But I can bring this app into Superblocks to integrate with our company's private data in Snowflake and give my IT and security team full visibility and confidence. I'll ask Claude to import my prototype into Superblocks. Claude calls the Superblocks MCP to begin the import process. Because Superblocks has full context of the integrations I can access through the platform, it asks me if I want to replace the mock data with real data in Snowflake and connect to Bedrock. I tell Claude I want to connect to my real IT-approved integrations. Superblocks provides a plan, I review it, and approve. And Superblocks gets to work importing my prototype into a real production app. The app has been successfully imported. First, let's open the Superblocks editor. We can see that the app is querying Snowflake to get the list of cases. The Snowflake integration in Superblocks uses Okta token exchange, so every end user of the application will only see the cases they have access to in Snowflake. We also see the account manager summary is hitting OpenAI on our Bedrock, so we're no longer exposing a personal API key and no customer data leaves our AWS. Let's go back to Claude and add a new feature. I want to make it even easier to update our account manager when issues arise. Instead of manually copying and pasting the AM brief, I want to send directly to Slack from this app. I'll ask Claude to add this feature to my app. Claude is a bit confused at first. It wants to know what channel to send these updates to. I tell it to ask Superblocks if this information exists already in Snowflake. Superblocks identifies that the internal Slack channel for the partner is stored in Snowflake, so we can already send to the proper channel. The new feature is done. Let's check out the preview. We see that we can now generate notes for the account manager and click the new Send to Slack button. This posts an update directly in our internal channel. We can also leave notes on the case, which write back to our real Snowflake table. I sent the preview to my manager, Nikki, and she tested a few more cases and confirmed everything looked good. I'm ready to ship and share with my team. I'll ask Claude to publish my app. Once that's done, I'll ask to share it with our store operations group that's synced into Superblocks from Okta. Claude gives me back the link to the published app, and my team gets an email that the app's been shared with them. They'll access the app through Okta, and each team member will only see the cases for their region, since that's our row access policy in Snowflake. My local Claude prototype is now officially a production app. It runs fully in our AWS private cloud, it's authenticated through Okta, reads and writes to Snowflake using each user's Snowflake permissions, and connects to OpenAI through Bedrock, and posts to Slack through our approved integration. My IT and security team have full audit logging and observability into all actions. And best of all, I can continue to iterate in my app directly from Claude, which is my home for all my work. Zero friction to build, 100% IT and security approved.